So today we have something a bit different. We have an equation where 3x plus 1 times 7x plus 1 is 17, and you want to find out what x is. The first thing we want to do is turn this equation into an a plus b times an a minus b. But we can't do that because we have to have the same a, or first term, which we clearly don't. So we think of the least common multiple of 3 and 7, and that's 21. So we can multiply it by 21 on both sides, and then multiply it by 7 here, so it's 21, and then 3 here, so it's 21 again, like so. 7 times 3x plus 1 times, you know what, I'll just times 3 times 7x plus 1 is equal to 17 times 21. And we don't solve for this right away because we're going to need that later. And if we do, it's going to take up a lot of time. But yeah, as you can see, 7 times 3, 21, they're the same. And right now, we get 21x plus 7 times 21x plus 3, which is equal to 17 times 21. Cool. So now we have the same a, but we have to make this the same too. So we can add these two together and divide by 2 to get the middle number, which is 5. So 21x plus 5. This is a plus 5. We have to add 2 to get 7. So, and then multiply this by, we do use the same strategy for this. 21x plus 5. Now this is minus 2, which is equal to 17 times 21. Alright, so now we can factor this out, I guess. There's 2 of these, which means it's 21x plus 5 squared, and negative 2 times positive 2 is equal to negative 2 squared, is equal to 17 times 21. And now we can do the same middle number technique for this side. 17 plus 21 divided by 2 is equal to 19. So here we can write 21x plus 5 squared minus 2 squared is equal to 19 minus 2 times 19 plus 2. Now we can evaluate this down here. Once again, this is 21x plus 5 squared minus 2 squared is equal to, there's 2 19s, so 19 squared minus 2 squared. Since they both have a negative 2 squared, we can cross them out, which leaves us with this. So 21x plus 5 squared is equal to 19 squared. And now we have our second equation. Now the rest is easy. Since both of these are squares, we can take the square root of both sides. So 21x plus 5 is equal to, well, it's not 19, it's going to be positive or negative 19. So when you solve for x, x is either going to be 2/3 or x is gonna be -8/7.